Hi guys, so we have the brother of the President of the Philippines come and visit us at the house. So, just to make sure that they're, taken care of, we hired some Michelin restaurants here in California. So we'll show you, how they cook and see their food.
You're talking about the Iran, it's the red one, right?
Yeah.
I'm mad, bro.
Ito yung visitor natin, si Ate Edelie and Kuya Bong Duterte. Kuya. So from France and Mexico. Nasaan na yung mga explanation niya? Galing din saan?
You're gonna explain this? Kingsley, you know how to explain this.
Yeah, so we have Kumimoto oysters, which are fairly small, not too briny. Then we have two sauces, one shell and mininette and an apple mininette.
It's shallots, which is parang sibuyas Tagalog natin. So, kung gusto nyo pa ho ng extra sauce, there you go. This one's apple. You want to try it?
Yeah.
So, should I just do a slap?
Sige, guys.
I think
I was thinking of
Pagka mahilig ka sa oyster, oyster.
Abalone ito.
abalone, tapos lalagyan natin ng mushroom later on. So, this is our Russian sturgeon caviar. Galing sa Russia. This is a milder taste. I picked it because it goes well with the Jawan mochi. So, para ho alam niyo na kung gusto tumikim ng caviar kung paano. So, you grab some and then you put it right here. And then,
Let me try.
In your hand, right? I thought I have to try it on his hands.
a little bit. Right there.
Maghugas muna ako ng kamay. Ang caviar, ginabang tequila. Ang dami naman.
Ano yan?
That one might be a little bit. That's good, actually.
Salud. Caviar.
Lalagay mo daw pala caviar dito para magagano mo.
Yung tanggal-tanggal pa yung peto.
Halimbawa, pinakainin mo lang sa ganito mo.
See, I told you, like, my mom said it tastes like arosep, so...
You know the arrosep is the seaweed.
Lasang arosep daw.
Pig, you're gonna use me?
Ay, bayar tayo. Panis na.
Paano pa rin?
With the egg to make it custard. And then we're gonna add some caviar on the top. A good dollop. So, get it with a spoon. Enjoy po. And then caviar and then abalone. So, very silky na parang. And then, kung saan ko pinakulo yung abalone, yung po dinagdag ko doon sa inyo.
Wow.
Yeah.
Black curry. Wow. It's like a month preparation for this thing.
Pag gusto mo, let's go ako dalawang shot.
Wow. So I can touch it. Homemade. Dang. A lot better homemade, huh?
Yung mga fried cuts na steak.
Ito ho, ang steak ho natin ngayon, American Wagyu. It's been dry aged by 32 days.
Wow.
So 32 days dry aged Wagyu siya. And then, I'm gonna add some oil.
Ano yung pinag-green mo?
Herb oil ho.
Ano, lasang arosep?
Hindi, lasang itlog.
Lasang itlog, lasang beef.
Lasang arosep? Ito yung American Wagyu.
Yes.
Thanks.
Nice with
Wagyu, American Wagyu dry aged by 32 days.
Malaman mo sa ano.
Salt.
Ganun na ganito yung gusto ko na, di ba?
Tingin ako.
Si ano nagturo sa akin ito eh.
Quality check na.
Ang galing! King oyster mushroom.
Oyster mushroom.
Potatoes na pinakuluan po sa thyme and rosemary. And then we have a red wine sauce on top.
Hey, Serenia, I want my dinner like this, huh? Every night.
Start making notes.
You missed the whole thing. Yeah, you gotta plate it like that, too.
And chives. So, steak 1. Steak 2. And steak 3.
Ooh.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Sarap.
10:45. 10:45 to 8:45. Okay lang. Bebe na po. Ano yung flight mo? 6:30.
Or like 2
Mag-start na lang daw siya, Ash.
Ha?
Mag-start na lang daw siya.
Okay. Sure siya.
Mahal po, 60 bucks.
And then, ito ho, medyo nagmadali lang kami kasi kanina lang sinabi sa akin ni Kira. Kaya nabigla pa kami dito sa menu namin. Actually, yeah, he told me, yeah, earlier. Can you cook? And I was like, okay, we have to think of a menu. And then some bits to kind of balance. Wait, we need one more for him.
Ate, tingnan mo. Ito na yan, ano? Ate, yun yung asawa ni Ashton. Tingnan mo, yun yung sinasabi ko sa'yo, malabo yung mata.
Mata?
Malabo yung mata.
Wife to.
Siya yung sa Miss Philippines.
Kasing ganda. Lalo din naman na ano si...
Ikaw na yung mali, ikaw pa yung mataray.
Ano, elegant rabbit one.
Oh, wait, nag-ano kayo? Nag-ano ka ng dinner?
Yeah, so,
Nag-decide siya ng dinner. Tapos,
so we were gonna go eat dinner yesterday. But Glessy is super sick, so she canceled on us. So dinner is canceled. But we forgot that
No, you
Clarice-
forgot. I didn't even know you invited her.
ito, Clarice.
That's why I'm texting her right
So it was
now.
supposed to be the three of us. Stop Glassy, me, and Rizzy. And then she invited pala Clarice. And then when we all canceled, hindi niya sinabihan
Sinin-
si Clarice. Kalimutan ko. Nag-show up pala yun.
Tapos nagbihis pa or something. Oo, grabe.
And then, guess what?
Thank you for making
The
me feel
reason
bad. I'm so sorry
the
talaga.
reason na
Ito
hindi
na,
nagsabi
tinext ko
agad
na
si
siya.
Clarice na pupunta siya is kasi pala may family affair sila. So actually, tinigil niya agad na
kinancel
maaga yung
affair
family
niya.
affair niya. Umalis
Para
siya.
lang
Oh,
Grabe, si Rizzy. Ano to?
Caviar set.
Caviar set, wow. Is your brother, can I get you any drink?
The cream didn't work, but you can just dip it. Because we didn't have the cream, so mom, napakatipid mo naman sa caviar, yun na lang yung tinapay yun.
Wala.
$50.
Shot.
Kakabayin ko na ho. Malinis naman, no?
Ayun na.
Tapos lagyan mo natin konting cream. Caviar. Egg.
Ito na bang na-hire na si Howard ng Lakers?
Maganda yun kuya kasi kailangan ng sentro eh.
Final na ba yun?
Hindi ko alam ha, pero kailangan din talaga ng sentro.
Oo.
Hindi nila matalo-talo yun eh.
yung move yun. Dwight Howard. Oo. Eh sabi ko na, sign with the Lakers.
And it's only just beginning, huh? Wow. Yeah.
Ito na siya.
Nice. And then, agua chile.
Oy! Yeah, I know.
Wow. Perfect.
Hindi na ako makapunta sa ano sa... Hindi na ako makapunta ng pagkukulit kasi busy ako. Pero kung may teenager ako, kailangan i-intindi.
Ito yung New York.
Ito yung New York.
Kuya, thank you. Oh my God! Kuya!
Wala na. Alcoholic ka talaga.
Ito binigay mo baso.
Si Kuya Al na ba yan?
I didn't know.
Nagtitripan lang wala nila si ano.
Kasi mama ko yan.
Hello.
That I showed up. Tapos sabi ko, pag-text hindi niya alam and I didn't know naman kasi she didn't tell me that. She was just like, sabi ko, umalis ka pa ng maaga sa family. Yeah. Okay.
Ayun no? Tapos si Rizzy kumakain dito, ano? Grabe.
Ito sa kanya na lang.
Hello, my babe.
May pasok na si Al.
Oh my God, I love our family event. You didn't show that.
Magkano yung over mo?
I showed up when you weren't there. I gave you, it was like $50 to even make a wave to not miss it for you.
I'm not gonna come up with excuse. It is absolutely my fault, and I apologize.
I thought we're so professional to like communicate.
Kumanda na, siyempre.
I made time. I was like, I showed up there and said, is there a reservation for Rizzy?
It is totally my fault. And
I
I'm
said,
so
no
sorry.
one's here. And I was so early.
I'm so sorry.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. That was completely my fault. Like,
Because and then I texted Jen. I was like, are you here?
No, but Rizzy, it's okay. Because it's a prank.
Nag-explain pa dyan. Guilty. Ang galing ha?
Pwede ka pala gamitin itong mga to as actresses. They're good. Yeah, in the end, she's like, let's prank. Sabi ko, naniniwala yata ako sa mga sinasabi nila.
But you feel bad.
I don't feel bad kasi hindi pa nagte-text back. Hindi rin ako tinatawagan. I would have come. Buti na lang na texted me na.
No, my heart is beating so fast.
said, okay, others didn't text me. So, buti na lang din. Because I would have showed up there and be like, oh my God,
Maniwala.
That is a prank!
Oh my gosh, they're still cooking.
Kanino?
What are you making?
Who?
I'm just... The dishes. You know? Ay! Meron ko rin yung torch.
Yeah, I know how to cook. I never say I didn't know how to cook.
You don't.
Does he know how to cook?
No.
Alright, so we have another dish. This time it's Filipino. Ang swerte nito mga to, no? Si Rizzy, si Janet, swerte sa mga asawa, no?
Hoy, sila ang swerte sa amin ng kaan
Ha?
here. Nasaan yung kabyar? Sila ang
Sobrang
swerte sa
ang babait, ang mga kan.
They're so swerte.
Diba? Si ano lang, si Aldrin lang, swerte sa asawang babae eh. Hindi pa nauuntog.
Kailangan ko na magpa...
Yeah, you have a sous chef earlier. Now you have sous chef. Sous chef. Trabaho lang sa trabaho.
Kasi ko yan ang sinasabi ko sa kanya.
Hindi, ako kuya kaya talagang ano, diet tsaka exercise.
Enjoy yung kabataan, pero do not abuse it. You prolong it.
Bravo, Mindy. Ang sinasabi ni Kuya Bong, mag-protection kayo.
Akin ko yan, brotherly advice lang ito. I'm not, you know, nasa inyo yan. Go ahead, call me.
Eto kuya, masyado na abuso na nalalagas yung buhok.
Wala na ba yung advice ko yung Bob dyan?
Si Kuya Bong marami pang buhok. Paano daw po yung advice sa buhok? Hindi mabawas.
Magaling kumain ho eh.
Hindi, si Kuya Bong maayos pa yung ano eh.
Nakalbo ko dahil magaling kumain.
Ay! Natasabunutan.
Saka ka ganun eh. Malalaman mo daw pag dito pag dito, magaling ka. Pag dito, hindi magaling. So di ako magaling. Dito yung kalbo kasi si Brando. Kasi pag ganun daw yung pahila daw eh. Pag magaling ka, pag ganun.
Eh dito ka kalbo dito.
Kala ko yung nasa jeans yan eh.
Ang dami mo pa sinasabi.
Ibig sabihin si Kuya yan, makakalbo rin.
Ay!
Hindi ko kumakain eh. Kaya
Hindi ko
kumakain. Baka kay Ate Alice na lahi-lahi. Pag yung
Hindi, Kuya,
tuloy-tuloy na yan.
Hindi, tapos sa ating Kuya, bravo. Sa ibang ulo yun. Sa ibang ulo yun. Talagang hindi ano.
Bravo, candy lang
Hindi ka mapapahiya natin.
Anong klase yun?
Alright, so now we're mixing drinks.
Mixing bricks all day. No, like this. See?
What does...
Good.
Little bit of this.
No, I think it's good that way.